Hello, my name is Martese Roulette. I am 18 years old and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I am the first person in my family to try and complete a 4-year college degree. I was able to become a social media ambassador, which is something that's really cool to me because I'm always on my phone and I'm always on Instagram and Snapchat, and it's a great way to interact with the students on campus. The activities that I enjoy the most on campus are when we have guest speakers and performers come. It is really fun because after a long day of doing schoolwork and being tired, we had like the dueling pianos come. It was really cool watching them play pianos and sing and take requests from us. I chose Ohio State Mansfield because I knew I could get the one-on-one hands-on experience with my professors, and it would be a great start before I go on to Columbus campus. Being a student union worker has helped me find my home at Mansfield really easy because I was able to meet faculty and staff, and I know that if I needed help with anything, they would be there to help me.